Now to pair it, what we have to do, make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom, but again, from any screen, we go on to telephone. No phone connected. Connected device now, yes. Search for Bluetooth devices, yes. As I say, we're watching out at the bottom. Discovery Sport is searching. Barry's iPhone 12. So we'll click on that. Pairing an iPhone, please start pairing process on your device. If required, it's giving you a pin if required, but it generates a pin here. So it generates a random pin. So yeah, that matches and that matches. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro has been connected.